Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today is Vlogmas Day 16, and we are speeding right through the month. So today, I'll be decorating the living room for Christmas. Now you've already seen the Christmas tree, so now it's time for me to get going on the rest of the room. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this together. Let's get it, let's go. Another plain red one. Can't find it, so we're gonna use this one. So that's my first choice. And then this tree collar is actually my second choice because I had the natural pine cones, so I wanted to see how this one looked as well. So what do you think? I think I'm kind of partial to the tree collar. Then I also picked these up. They were on clearance. Let me make that out. $34.99. But of course, that's not what I paid for them. Everything I picked up last year on clearance. And I want to say, when I went for the clearance sale, it was at 70 or 80% at the time. So yeah. The decor that I got, literally, I spent pennies. I just took the long garland and folded that in half. So I have this plaid ribbon that I used on the Christmas tree as an accent and a red velvet ribbon. Next, I'm gonna come in with some fairy lights. Now these gorgeous white pillows I got at Home Goods last year with the silver snowflake on them. So gorgeous. And I simply flipped them over, tied some coordinating ribbon on them, and they look new for this year. Money saving, y'all. Honey, yes, your girl gave it to you this year with the tartan plaid. And by using the tartan plaid, the red ribbon, and natural pine cones, I tied everything together and gave it a cohesive look. Let me know what you think, honey, because I am living for this look right here. 2023 Christmas, yes, love it. If you enjoyed today's Decorate With Me video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And if you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, honey, what are you waiting for? You better go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. And happy holidays once again. I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas.